Your wife is not your family. Your mother-in-law is not your mother. You see, when we make arguments like this, when we make conversations like this, what we do not know is that this subtle framing, this subtle comments and ideology, it's framing our mind, it is shaping our expectation and behaviors towards these people. Just as you hear men who say, oh, your wife is not your family, women saying your mother-in-law is not your mother, your sister-in-law is not your sister, your brother-in-law is not your brother, and all of those things. See, we are setting ourselves up for a lot of battles. When you hear the term mother-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, father-in-law, whatever, these terms are to let you know that this individual or these people, we are brothers, we are sisters, we are a family, but this relationship came to be by marriage. So that's why you find the in-law there. It is not to minimize the bond, but to just let you know how the relationships came to be. But when we use them, we tend to be very divisive. See, when you get married, either of two things happen. Two families integrate into one, or you retain your individuality. And this individuality that we want to retain is what leads to the division. You are actually supposed to integrate. It is part of why the era before this era, the era that we sometimes describe as uncivilized era, when a person from one village is married to another village, the next village will not attack this village because their son has married into that village or their daughter has married into that village. Marriage was one of the things people use in signing treaty. It was so important. It was so unifying. The division we see today, this you are not my mother, you are not my brother, your wife is not your family, and all that crap talk, is leading to the division we are seeing. Sadly, we want to frame it under the guise of boundaries, respecting your space, maintaining your space, and all those other things. I think it's time we scrap those divisive talk. It's time we scrap those divisive mentality. It's not working in our interest. That woman is your mother. That lady is your wife. She is your family. She is your sister. She is your family. It's sick, really, that we want to get married, but somehow we still draw a line when marriage is actually a union, unifying, unity. It's sad, really. Roland Ebenezer, just telling you, think for yourself, lead your own life. It's one thought at a time. Catch you in the next one.